Alright, yo, so welcome back to my channel. Before we jump into things, go ahead and give me a like on this video and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Also, I have a bunch of other videos and all the other stuff we've done on the Mustang already. So let's jump into things today. Got awesome stuff going. We're gonna finish up the interior, which we need to do, and that's the only thing that's keeping us from like really reassembling everything in the car. Go ahead and do me a favor. If you haven't already, like and subscribe to my channel. I really appreciate all the support lately. It's been amazing. So thank you guys so much for that. Gonna keep the content coming. So super excited about this. I just got some new stuff in and it looks awesome. I went ahead and took a sneak peek last night because it got delivered late. And so I had to crack it open to see what it looked like. Check this out. Love to see that. It's very rare that you get that anymore. So that's great. Woo. Yes. Look at that. Oh my God. Oh my God. Look at that. Oh, the GoPro doesn't even do it justice. And we got some weird bumps on it, but hey, whatever. Look at that. Oh my God, that looks good. That's gonna match the carpet perfectly. Oh, perfect. I love it. Okay, let's see what else we got next. Oh, hot damn. Whew. Look at that. I mean, come on. That's super sexy. Whew. Wow. That's gonna look so good. Oh my God. Got the inner door panel seals. Okay, I got some armrests here. What? Shiny. Oh man, look at that. Jeez, that's gonna look good. I mean, come on. That's gonna look so good. Wow. Yeah. Oh yeah. Come on. Hey, I'm going for a guardsman blue with white racing stripes, I'm pretty sure. So blue interior, gotta go with the outside blue too now. I've committed. I've just gotta do some clear coats, clear coating the dash, clear coating the inside door panels, and then letting it cure. And I'm just gonna do a 2K Spray Max clear satin on it. Hopefully the satin looks cool and white. I'm pretty sure it will, but at least it'll protect it, you know, really well. And then we can get everything interior wise installed. Here's what we got today. I had to place a special order for 6 more cans of the Sail White Sim vinyl paint, vinyl and fabric paint, because I went through 2 whole cans on just one of the bucket seats and probably gonna have to do a little bit more. So I went ahead and ordered 6 more. So let's do it. Alright, so hindsight, I should have taken the seats completely apart. So like taking the top off the bucket and the bottom off of it. Yeah, right there, and then there's a cotter pin on the other side. I got a little too antsy-pantsy and decided to roll the seat over before it was dry. And then, yeah, got that nasty mess. So that's gonna be fun to fix. Jeez. Before we move on, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Also, you can set your bell notifications so that way you're notified every time I post a new video. Thank you all for tuning in, and let's get back to it. All right, so here's where we are. It's time to do some interior painting. I've got some Spray Max 2K clear coat satin finish for the inside. So I'm gonna be doing the interior of the doors and the dash as well. Gonna hit this with the satin. Hopefully it takes the shine down a little bit, but not too much. Highly recommend getting a respirator, even if you're spraying within a controlled environment. With that said, let's jump in. Alright, so I decided to go ahead and install one door panel, see what we're getting into. So far, here I've got this door panel. So I put this door panel down, and I have these two little insert pieces for the back, which is where the armrests will mount, but I've got to make sure they're pointed correctly up. So I'm gonna put gonna punch one hole through. Oop, just gonna make sure it's in the right place, because if I do it in the wrong place, can't really go back on that. Then once we get this in, I'm gonna punch the hole for the other one once I get this secure. And we'll just do the same situation. So that was an extravaganza. Sorry, once again, it's loud. Got the fan on, it's hot. So, tell you what I did. That was crazy. That's harder than it looks to install these. Way harder than it looks. Because you have to first seal everything with this strip caulking from 3M that I got, which is great, but it's really hot, so it's kind of melty and sticky. You have to put these little hooks into the back of this panel, but the problem I was running into is if you don't click it in when it hits, and you go into the door, it pushes the panel and then pushes the panel out, because it's like a particle board, and it can rip the particle board. So I had to end up getting washers and putting the washers in between the particle board and the clips to give it some rigidity in some of the areas. Otherwise it wasn't like clipping in and staying in. Not an easy feat, but we got it. Woo! I think that's pretty legit. That's gonna look good. It's gonna look really good. And I'm gonna do the other one after I take the door off, because I gotta take the door off and redo the hinge on that. The bearing and all that, the pin or whatever that's in it is like really bad. So I just wanted to get this on and see what it actually looked like, because yeah, it's awesome. But I'm realizing that I got some of that strip caulk stuff on here.
No! God, please, no! 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 No!
No. Ooh. I don't know how to get that stuff off. That sucks. Got it up here too. Oh, good. that stuff gets everywhere. It's a nightmare, and it's white paint. Alright, y'all. So sorry if it's noisy and loud. I'm running a box fan out here. Literally have it pointed on me because it's a little toasty right now outside. Alright, where we are. Oh, looking good. I got the blue dash pad installed. Love the color. It looks amazing. Got the trim around the edges installed. Put that in. Made a mistake when I was putting it in. Very unfortunate, but I chipped my new paint job, which also goes to show that my paint job was not very good. Probably gonna buy some more clear, but I've got to touch that up and then probably re-clear some of it to where it's a bit better, especially since it's white. It's like gonna show every little imperfection, you know, every little chip, every little scratch, whatever. So definitely want to fix that. I'm gonna take this driver's side door off and have to redo the hinges because the hinges are all jacked up. This one's totally fine, so I can go ahead and do the panel insert there, get everything together there. I also put up this windlace in here, so that's all installed. So now I won't catch myself coming out of here anymore. I just need to do this side. All right, y'all, so we got a lot done. I ended up doing the door, which looks so pretty. Man, that's gonna look good. I did the dash lining, got these put in. Yeah, everything's looking really good. Redid the gauge cluster right there. Need to put that back in. Just kind of waiting for everything else to be done. This is where I'm gonna stop the video this time because I'm waiting on some kill mat to come in. That way I can throw it down on the floorboard of the car. And that's just gonna help with like sound deadening, insulation, stuff like that. May throw down some extra jute underneath the carpet just for extra sound deadening and then also like, you know, insulation from heat and whatnot. Just want to say thank you guys for tuning in and thank you for your support. Definitely stay tuned for my next video. Got it coming up soon. Go ahead and give me a like and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Also set your bell notification so you're notified every time I release a video so you don't miss out. All right, thank you all so much and I'll see you soon. Bye.